Hi guys, we are at the South Tufa now, at the Mono Lake. So these are the Tufa towers. They are made up of calcium carbonate limestone, and they are specifically made when the fresh spring water comes down from the lake, from the ground, and then the calcium from those springs combines with the carbonate in the lake, and then it creates this special kinds of rocks or stones, calcium carbonate limestones. South Tufa Tower area at the Mono Lake in Mammoth Lake area. There's a very nice boardwalk going down up to the lake level. I think these are the tufas which when the lake level was high, and there are tufas in the lake down there which are still growing right there. And these are made by the fresh spring water. If you are in this area, just stop by look for the Navy Beach parking at the Mono Lake, and then you should be able to access this area from that parking. And there's the snow-capped hills in the background of this lake. It's early June time today here, and it's already 80s. Look at those tufa towers. It's amazing. It's actually saltier than sea. Wow. Salt and baking soda combination. It's unique out here. Wow. It's awesome. That's the fresh spring water coming out of this lake to form the tufas. This is the nature at its best. This is just small formation, but look at the other formations. It's giant. This is awesome. Walk around the tufas. So in the old days, as per the volunteer here, the lake used to be that high. So that's why tufas are that high. Wow. It's amazing nature, right? That's the pirate ship right there. No, that one. That's the pirate ship, Tufa.
The bird, the osprey, they nest on there because it's safe for them.
That's the bird right there.
You can hear the chirp.
Yeah.
There's a mob is on the nest right now.
Wow.
The eggs. Yeah, have a look.
More tufas. The lake used to be really high at this level. It's a crystal clear lake.